Hey folks, have you ever wondered how we can solve the global water crisis? Well, the future of clean water might just be here. Let me introduce you to nanotech-powered solar devices that are revolutionizing water purification. Imagine a small, floatable device that harnesses the power of the sun and nanotechnology to purify water. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. These cutting-edge solar devices are designed to float on water bodies and use photovoltaic cells to capture solar energy. But the real game changer is the nanotechnology inside. Nanotechnology allows these devices to have nanoscale filters that can remove contaminants, bacteria, and even viruses from water. These filters are incredibly efficient, working at the molecular level to ensure that the water is as clean and safe as possible. Picture a sieve, but on a microscopic scale, filtering out everything harmful. So how does it work? The device floats on the water, absorbing sunlight through its solar panels. This energy powers the nanofilters, which then pull in contaminated water and push out clean, purified water. It's an elegant solution to a massive problem. One of the coolest aspects is that these devices are self-sustaining. As long as there's sunlight, they can keep purifying water without the need for external power sources. That makes them perfect for remote areas where electricity is scarce, but clean water is desperately needed. Another huge advantage is that they're scalable. Whether it's a single device purifying water for a small community or hundreds of them working together to clean a large lake, the technology can be adapted to various needs. Beyond just providing clean drinking water, these devices have potential applications in agriculture, disaster relief, and even in industrial settings where clean water is crucial. The versatility of nanotech-powered solar devices is truly remarkable. And the best part? They're eco-friendly. Because they rely on renewable solar energy and don't require harmful chemicals or extensive infrastructure, these devices have a minimal environmental footprint. They represent a sustainable solution that aligns perfectly with our goal of preserving the planet. In a world where clean water is becoming increasingly scarce, innovations like this offer hope. The combination of nanotechnology and solar power is paving the way for a future where everyone has access to safe, clean water. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless drive to solve the world's most pressing problems. So next time you hear about nanotech-powered solar devices, remember that they're not just a technological marvel. They're a lifeline for communities around the globe, bringing us one step closer to a world where clean water is accessible to all. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cutting-edge tech insights. Until next time, stay curious.